This Christmas at Bread Ahead, we are making a fantastic gingerbread house project aimed at raising money for charity. Together, we are going to make a beautiful gingerbread house. We will give you a fantastic recipe, tried and tested. We will show you how to cut, how to paste, how to chill your dough, and how to bake. We will also be showing you in this class how to put the pieces together using royal icing, and also how to decorate the houses. And we will also be giving you tips and ideas of the different ways you can decorate the house. This is a family fun project to make at home, and it is entirely donation based. All of the donations raised from this class will be going to our charity partners, Lifelites. And if you would love to make one of these beautiful and amazing gingerbread houses, please join us in class.